Hey y'all, so I'm sorry about the weird setup today. My back decided to go a little spastic. So I've got my full setup and my heating pad. So hopefully this will just be a temporary thing. No, this is not the new permanent setup, I promise. So I apologize. Anyway, but I promised y'all that I would do the unboxing for the THBS Babe box. This is the first of the Babe boxes, and I was lucky enough to be able to get on the list, and I'm super, super excited about this box. So, as you can see, it says Babe box on it. And then we've got a cute little babe here. So, let's see what is inside. So this month's theme is called Personality Crisis. And as you can see, there are several different little things in here. And I'm super excited to see what is within. So we'll put the box away. And let's see if there is some kind of a card that has all of the... Yep, here we go. So we've got the card with all of the contents on the box. So you know our drill. Doesn't matter what sub box it is, we're going to go through them one by one just to break everything down. So let me move these out of the way. Okay, so the first thing that I kind of caught my eye here were the washi tapes. So we've got some silver foiled washi tapes. They are like a black to pink ombre for both. This one is a 15 millimeter and this one is a 10 millimeter. So the theme for this month's box, like I said, is called Personality Crisis. And so a lot of the colors in this box are going to be black and pink. So looks like you get a fair amount of washi on each. These are super cute. So you just got little bows and then Babe on there. It's got kind of a cosmic looking background as well. So those are the washi tapes. Here, let's see what we have in here. These are, I'm assuming that these are die cuts, but I could be wrong. I feel like I'm not close enough here to where y'all can really see. Okay, so we've got a cute little babe here. You've got some little tattoos peeking out from her ripped jeans. She's got a leather jacket on. Oh, she's so cute. So yes, these are the die cut packs. So little bows in pink and black. Then we've got some, looks like little ballet shoes. So we've got the black pair and the pink pair. And then you've got them side by side. And more little bows. Really like her bows. Those are cute. Oh, look how cute that is. It's a little bat bag. What a babe. And then looks like we've got a little Hobonichi in a cover. This is super cute. So it's a little leather jacket with a pink bow on the back. Another bow. And a babe. Love this. The little black coffin nails. And I love these little skeleton hands with the roses. And then we've got a little angel looking backpack. And then this is the little card that came in the back of the package, which y'all know I will definitely like reuse those. So that is everything in the die cut pack. And then here we have got a magnet. Is this a magnet? Yes. And it, oh my gosh, it is so cute. So we've got another one of those little leather jackets, and there's like glitter in the bow. It's kind of hard to see with all the shininess of it, but the way this magnet works is it's got a back to it, so you just attach it there. So you could definitely put this on a little Ita bag, which is probably what I will do. God, that's so cute. And then this is the card that comes in the back of that. And then we've got a journaling card with the little Hobonichi and the skeleton hands, and then there's a little Polaroid there. Sticky notes. They say, "What's up, babe?" with the little skeleton hands. And these are Bic. And you get a fair amount in there. Definitely can't have enough sticky notes. And there is a lot in here. Let's see. Where? Okay. Let's just open at the top. So this is the, this must be the stickers. So it looks like we've got a full kit of stickers in here. So let's go through these one by one. So these are the smaller sticker sheets. So mainly deco, which is super cute. I love that she put another one of those little babes in there, and then you've got some little babes that have pink hair with her back turned, and it says Planner Babe. And then these are 3 individual little stickers. And then we've got some little coffee stickers. Those are awesome. And then here, this is actually a photo sticker, so you could like put a tiny photo back there and then have this be the frame, whatever you want. Just lots of deco that you've seen in the die cut pack as well. And the bows. The bows are so cute. And the date covers. I love that she put 2 sets in here. That is awesome. Because y'all know I'm a sucker for date covers. So that is awesome. Your larger sheets. Here we've got some washi sheets or washi strips. And then some little headers. I love that pink graph grid. That's really nice. And then we've got full boxes here. You got 9 of those. Oop. Okay, I didn't miss a sheet. All of your half boxes, quarter boxes, and they're all in black, gray, and baby pink. And then we've got our heart checklist full boxes. And headers. And some trackers. And then I love her little deco sheets. These are like some deco, some functional. These are really, really nice. And they're all printed on matte paper. I wouldn't say that they're printed on matte unicorn paper, but they are printed on a really nice matte sticker paper. So they write on very, very well, and they've got this really nice texture to them. So I do enjoy her stickers, because something that I found with a lot of matte stickers is you don't get that really good saturation of color whenever they're printed. But it's either something about the way that she prints her printer, or it's the paper. Like, her colors are very, very vibrant. So that's really nice. Okay, and now in the big sack, I'm going to try and tear this off very carefully, because I kind of want to keep this. Careful, 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 careful. There we go. All right, so here we've got our pattern papers. That is it for that. Okay. Oh, wow, these papers are nice. Oh, yeah, these are like on a cardstock. So this very much reminds me of the Planners Anonymous boxes. I kind of miss them. But they're like double-sided patterned papers, and you get, looks like 2 of each. So this one you can tell has the skeleton hands and the babe all over it, and then on the flip side you've got just some nice stripes and roses. Same for that one. Here we've got the leather jackets and roses with some polka dots and the Hobonichi. And then on the flip side, just have that nice baby pink graph grid. And then here we've got the pink with the black bows. On the flip side, it is a black grid, so that one is really cool. I actually have a dress that's like in this pattern, so that's kind of cool. And then here we've got just a bunch of like artsy paint swatches and some dots and different colors of pink. Super cute. And then white with the pink bows. And that is everything. So, these boxes are $30 each, I believe. Check the description box for the complete specs on it, because I will like go in and cross-reference and check all that stuff. Excuse me. But I believe that these are $30, and then the shipping is about $6. So considering what all you get, I mean, a full set of stickers like these are like in the $20 range for her, I believe. So just this in and of itself is almost the value of the whole box. So to me, you actually get a really good amount of stuff. Like, she's got these boxes packed full of stuff. So, yeah, this is absolutely, like, I love Shan's style. I love that she mixes like the really edgy with the girly and everything like that. So this box just kind of had my name written all over it anyway, so I love it. But yeah, the paper quality is really nice with these. They're almost a glossy like cardstock, so I'm definitely going to be using these for setups and things like that. So yeah, and I really like the washi too. Actually, let me break open this washi and see how the quality is, because I've never had any of her washi tapes. I can already tell it's going to be a pretty good washi. Oh yeah. Foiling looks good, but I'll definitely have to like break it open and actually use some to see how the foiling is. But it's a really nice smooth washi tape, and like I said, you get quite a bit on your roll. So this is exciting, y'all. Like, I'm super oh my god, super sick, but I'm super excited about this box. Like, I'm really impressed with it. I have seen some sneak peeks today of what all was in here, and I looked at some of the sneaks that Shan had listed, but overall this has been pretty much a surprise, and I feel like I've been like I sound really underwhelmed, but I'm really not. Like, I'm super excited about this, just my back is killing me. But anywho, yeah, like, I'm so excited to be able to use all this stuff. So here is a overview of everything that you get for this month's box. And I will be creating a separate playlist because I can already tell you I'm going to say sub to this box for probably a long while. I was so excited when she announced that this box was happening. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or anything like that, please leave those down below. Any questions, comments, you know, whatever. What are your opinions on this box? I'd love to see what y'all have to say. I do know that if you were unable to subscribe this month, I know she's opening up 100 more slots next month. I'll leave all the links for this box down below. Y'all know I leave the description box. Try to keep it as detailed as possible. So anyway, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And we will not be in this same little awkward setup with, you know, belly everywhere. But that's just like for the back hurting today. So hopefully we will be back in a normal setup very soon. And yeah, if you would like to see future videos, please hit subscribe. I would love to have you over here. And with that note, thank y'all so much for watching, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, everybody.